Let's have a quick demo on My Classroom.
My Classroom lets you manage recorded lectures, classroom videos, study materials and media assets in a secure, searchable online platform. Dashboard, to have a quick look to the latest study materials. Study materials listed for the subjects of particular classroom where the student is enrolled. Recorded videos, PDF, photos etc. can be uploaded. Study materials can be filtered by various search criteria. Chat interface is WhatsApp to interact between teacher, student or whole classroom. Teacher or student can post message or multimedia contents as chat. For further inquiries, contact 8075337272 or email to sales@myclassroom.cloud.